Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tasia Unlimited. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing for some professional lighting that we picked up recently. I wanted to do this because I wanted to invest more in my YouTube channel, and one thing I noticed was that lighting is literally everything. And we live in an apartment complex, so the natural lighting isn't the best, so really wanted to go and do the professional lighting studio route. So that's what we're going to be unboxing and reviewing today. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let's get into this review. All right, I'm so excited. Let's get into it. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Okay. I don't have a box cutter, so kids don't try this at home. Oh. Okay, here we go. This is just not as easy as I thought. All right. Okay, so the first thing is, this brand is called Neewer, and I like their little slogan, pro quality, amateur prices. Okay, we'll see what the quality is like. So opening it now. Oh, this thing is huge. Oh, that's cool. Everything comes conveniently in this little bag right here. So that's nice. Nice little carrying case. Okay, it's a little dusty. Just dust that out. Dust it out. Okay. All right, so let's see what's inside. See what goodies are inside. All right, so looks like more bags, more boxes. Okay. Let's open this if I can find it. So this is a lot of little packaging. All right, okay, nice. So this is for the actual lights. So as you guys can see, the light bulb would go right in there with a pretty long extension cord, a cool on and off flip switch right there. And as you guys saw, that came with a carrying case. That's pretty cool. This, I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, okay. So this, once you put the light bulb in, this is supposed to go over it. So that way, you don't melt your makeup off, you don't melt your edges off. So kind of protects the person under the lighting. I like that. Okay, give it that white light as well. And I'm gonna assume I was right. These are the bulbs. Oh, wow. Wow, this thing is huge. And it looks like a water bottle actually, so it's not, but looks pretty cool. And should be able to get some good lighting with this one. Alright, so I'm just gonna assume that this is the same kind of switch. Oh, same kind of light. There we go. And that was good. So this kit actually comes with two light setups, which is pretty cool. So just gonna say that this is the second one. So it came with the same thing where you actually put the light bulb in and the sheet to not make you sweat to death, and also to provide some good white lighting, I'm sure. And looks like the last two things in the kit. Ooh, are these really cool stands actually. So I want to see how big it is. There's some things at the top. Oh, okay. So that's where it kind of can stand up a little bit. I mean, with this. Okay. And it locks in position, locked and loaded, ready to go. It's pretty sturdy actually. I'm actually very surprised. This is cool. I like it. Good height as well. Now why is this? Oh, so I can keep it. Okay. Alright, okay. That's cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Set that to the side. And the very last thing in this stylish carrying case is just going to be one more, I'm sure, of that same stand. It is very nice. Honestly, just kind of from first glance, first review of it, it actually seems like very sturdy. Like, doesn't seem flimsy or, you know, able to easily be broken. I also like that it comes with a carrying case, so when we do any kind of shoots on the go or, you know, need to travel outside of the apartment, it would be easy to just pack everything up in one kind of case and move on. So I do actually really like that about this. Pretty cool. Alright, so now I'm going to set everything up and I'll come back showing you guys how it all looks. We finally got it set up, and just to show and compare, this is what it looks like when we just have natural lighting and I have my little really sad ring light. This is what the lighting looks like. This is what it looks like when I have one light on. This is what it looks like when I have both lights on. Yes, the lights, the camera, the action. Oh, just kidding. Yes, I mean, instantly I could tell the difference. It is a lot brighter, and yeah, it just looks like a very professional setup. And hopefully you guys can see my makeup, how it looks. Does it look good? I don't know. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. Honestly, it is a lot better than trying to have my little ring light and then setting up multiple lights all throughout the area, where you could just have two lights, and depending on how you'd like it set up, you can actually adjust the height of the lights as well. And I really like that. I think that it's really cool. So overall, for the value, I paid about $60 for it. I do think that it's a really good investment. And yeah, I think it's just gonna make my videos look poppin', like, ooh, it's the lights. Action. Yes, like I feel like Beyonce in this thing. Beyonce, okay. But no, I really do think that it is going to improve the quality of my videos. So yeah, I'm really excited to be bringing you guys more videos. So stay tuned. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this review, of course, like, subscribe, and comment below. And yeah, also in the comments, if you guys have any questions about the lighting and the set, feel free to ask those questions in the comments below. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time.